Investigate! Create!
Yeehaw!
It's more than just the Heritage Oaks School slogan. It's what helps us develop the 4 C's. Critical thinking, collaboration, communication, and creativity. Here's our roving reporter, Ashi, to tell us more about the 4 C's.
We wanted to learn more about the 4 C's, so we decided to ask Nerdman, a resident expert. Nerdman, what is critical thinking?
Well, critical thinking is the process of thinking through situations. Critical thinking leads to new ideas and helps to build up the brain so that it can become strong.
The next C is communication. Nerdman?
Well, communication is the process of relaying information from the sender to the receiver. It can be in the form of words, signals, symbols, gestures, writing, and even facial expressions like this.
Creativity is a big part of learning. Nerdman, can you explain to us what creativity is?
Well, to be creative, all you need to do is put your own special spin on something that you normally do. For example...
Thank you, Nerdman. Collaboration is best illustrated by the way we developed the concept for this video. And the best person to talk about this is Maddie.
First, the film class brainstormed some basic ideas of what needed to be in the film. These are some notes that I took during that session. After working through a rough concept, we brought in the teachers and administration to help fill in the blanks. Then we went all over the school to shoot footage and get everyone involved. That's collaboration.
At Heritage Oaks School, staying connected to a global community through 21st century tools is an important part of a child's education. You can find Heritage Oaks on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, and Edmodo. Heritage Oaks School seeks to actively teach students how to safely and effectively use social media sites. Edmodo is a social networking site similar to Facebook that limits access to just students and teachers, allowing students to learn socially responsible use of the internet in a protected environment. In addition to a teacher blog that allows teachers to share innovative ideas and creative lesson plans with other teachers, Heritage Oaks also has a student-updated blog where students can share what they're learning inside the classroom. Sharing ideas rapidly and staying connected on a global level is a 21st century gift that we at Heritage Oaks School use daily.
Our garden is the first thing to come to mind when you ask about our sustainability. Our students are responsible for taking over once our teachers have collaborated and developed a meaningful undertaking. Our students developed and are still developing skills in so many areas through this project. Collaborating and communicating with one another, as well as garden experts in the community. Foresight and planning, hands-on math and science skills related to measurement and environmental factors. How many adults do you know that can determine the number of cubic yards of soil they need to fill a garden space? Or the best pH level for soil for tomatoes to grow in? And problem solving and persistence, maintaining a prosperous garden isn't easy. We analyze what is going well on a regular basis and we make adjustments as we can. We continue to talk about the future of our garden.
This is actually the 3rd library that I have been able to open. It's a lot of fun to start up a library. I've never believed in using an opening day collection. This time, the students are old enough that they can help me choose what they need. They can tell me the subjects that they're interested in and that they want books about.
If we had lots of good books,
There's no place like Heritage Oaks School. There's no place like Heritage Oaks School. There's no place like Heritage Oaks School.